Hi, my name is Freddy Alexander Solano Aguirre, Group 63, date May 28, 2022. 1. How to protect the intellectual property of the software. The software company Colombia performed a copyright registration before the National Director of Copyright for the protection of the software, taking into account the regulations that are imposed in Colombia. For this protection is presented at its own right. However, the listserv must establish intellectual protection agreement such as the language of the program, its commands and images, established in the regulation of the country does not include. 2. Variable method used to establish the price and the reason of the selection. The method used to establish the expense in the development of the software estimates income valued in the Colombian market at 407 pesos. This is equivalent to its cost and your research and implementation of this software. 3. General condition of the licensing and the negotiation. Licensing options. The company of Software Colombia for this condition that single license will appeal. The license is the only legal entity that has been granted a license to use property, intellectual property. Although the license might also use the intellectual, might also use it. 2. Infringement. In the event that the party, source and company of Software Colombia, the supplier of the software, as well as the beneficiary of the client, not comply with the agreement established regarding the payment of the software or its operation, they must return the payment or fee for the benefit and any of the parts. Exclusivity. The software can only be used by legal companies that by Company of Software Colombia to obtain this application for the control of the beneficiary company or client, especially in the area of management and logistics. 4. Choice of law. For this agreement between the software company Colombia and the beneficiary and all clients, Colombian law will be taken into account, which is Law 603 of the year 2000, the software legalization law. Conclusion. Explaining the importance of preparing the negotiation of a technology to achieve the best results. The importance of preparing the using of a technology in companies today is the essential to achieve stability in the market and be profitable to achieve the best results, in addition to the fact that practically without use of these tools, the process of organization will be more complex. Thank you very much.